Hello world, Tuesday stock market just closed and you guessed it, once again the index has made all-time historic highs across the board. The tech-heavy NASDAQ, the S&P, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Now remember, not only do we have the AI stocks doing so well, we have Chairman Powell speaking after the anticipated and highly probable rate cut of 0.25%. And look what happened in the other market. Interest rates backed off because of the coming rate cut. And the dollar came down. Not radically, but the dollar's backing off in anticipation, I believe, of what Chairman Powell is going to say after they cut 0.25%. Now, I have to say, when we jump over to crypto, this is disappointing. Basically red across the board, despite you saw the enthusiasm in the equity market, you see interest rates dropping, you see the dollar dropping, but crypto did well in the beginning of the day, but then it backed off. Look at this chart of Bitcoin. Here's the chart. It got as high as 116,000 and now it's trading 113,500. Despite what we all see in the other markets and anticipate from the Fed. Now, I want to talk about what's going to happen tomorrow at the press conference. People are going to want to see, and Bank of America and JP Morgan anticipate that the Fed will say that they are no longer doing quantitative tightening, and many believe that they will begin quantitative easing. Quantitative easing is when they go out and help to lower interest rates by buying treasury securities. Now, we in crypto want that, but I have to tell you, I am a little bit surprised today the way crypto's acting. Now, it is arguable that a rate cut is built in, but the other markets are building in and going up, and in crypto we're going down in advance. Are we ahead of what's going to happen in the other markets, or is just crypto not on people's radar, if you will, at the moment? Bottom line, when Powell speaks, I would like to hear, and I suspect most of you would like to hear, that they are going to engage in quantitative easing and obviously stop their quantitative tightening, which would, in theory, if history's any guide, take interest rates lower, take the dollar lower, and help crypto, because we need some external positive news to take up crypto, because it is not acting as well as other markets at the moment.